feel like I'm at least second round of the purge, but
Are you armed?
yeah.
Yeah, well, that's important.
So it's at least second.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Do you know how to use it?
Yeah.
Do you train?
I do, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. I don't want to be one of those like,
Yeah. No,
that's right.
I taught my kids how to shoot when they're very young.
Yeah, I think you, yeah.
You got to teach them firearm safety, how never have your finger on the trigger
Yeah.
trying to shoot something.
Yeah.
Ever. Ever. Don't hold the gun with your finger on the trigger. Always point it away, even if it's not loaded.